Whether it's Apple's homegrown batch of plugins or the latest and greatest audio unit, GarageBand for Mac makes it really easy to add effects to your projects. At first glance, the number of these effects you're able to add to a track may seem a bit limited, but there is a way to add more. This is a GarageBand for Mac question I get asked all the time, and it's really easy to demonstrate. First off, I need to open GarageBand's smart controls for this track by either clicking on the control icon at the top of the screen or by hitting the keyboard shortcut B. Any plugins currently active on the track are down here. If I were working with a MIDI software instrument track, there would be the instrument plugin visible here too, but as this track is an audio track, I only have effect plugins to work with. I can click on the plugins box and add a plugin from the list of pre-installed Apple-made effects or from a list of third-party plugins that I have installed. I can add 3 more effects in this box before it appears to be full. However, if I open the library pane and select this patch, for example, it has more than 4 plugins active in the plugins box. To add more plugins, I need to hover my cursor over the bottom edge of the 4th plugin. A thick white line appears. I just need to click on that line and I'll be able to add another plugin. In fact, I can repeat this process to add a maximum of 15 plugins to a track at one time. Let me know if you knew about this extra plugins trick down in the comments and give that like button a good hard slap while you're down there. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see this video. And if you want to learn the best way to mix drums in GarageBand for Mac, watch this video next.